Dear students, today topic is inverse trigonometric functions. In IPE, this academic year this is deleted syllabus, but in JEE mains this is not at all deleted syllabus. That is why we discuss regarding this chapter inverse trigonometric functions. Let us going to discuss about inverse function. First of all, if first I am writing synopsis for this inverse trigonometric functions topic. First point, if f maps A to B is any function, is any bijective function I am writing, because to exist inverse function, the given function should be bijective. If f maps A to B is any bijective function, then f inverse maps B to A is said to be f inverse maps B to A is said to be a bijective That's all. So its meaning is, if a function f maps A to B exists, to exist the inverse function, the function should be bijective. It is bi-equalization case like this. This is A, this is B. If it is bijective, example 1 to be like this, example 4, 5, 6 like this. It should be 1, 1 and on to both. To exist inverse function should be bijective. In the similar way, you can say that f maps A to B is a function, f inverse maps B to A is its inverse function. So f inverse of inverse is equal to f, because whenever f inverse is also bijective, f becomes bijective. So when you are discussing about functions in this one, our topic is inverse trigonometric functions. In the topic inverse trigonometric functions, one thing you should observe that every trigonometric function is not bijective. So for every trigonometric function is having inverse according to their domains. It depends upon their domains. So every trigonometric function has inverse ability. Every trigonometric function has inverse, depends upon their domains. Depends upon their domains. Already we have learned about graphs for trigonometric functions in trigonometric ratios up to transformation chapter. Depends upon that one. Just one definition I am writing. F inverse maps minus 1 comma 1 to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. If f inverse maps minus 1 comma 1 to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, defined by f inverse x is equal to sin inverse x, whereas f maps closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 to closed interval minus 1 comma 1, defined by f of x is equal to sin x. This is the notation. So f of x equal to sin x and f inverse x equal to sin inverse x. You should understand this one as example 1 by a. General notation is a inverse. In trigonometric function, 1 by sin x is not at all sin inverse x. No student should get confused. 1 by sin x is cosecant x. Here it is called reciprocal in algebraical method. In algebra, this is reciprocal is nothing but inverse, but in trigonometry, this is not reciprocal. Try to understand that every trigonometric function is having inverse. Exist inverse depends upon their domain. Whenever we have drawn the graphs for sin x and cos x, we got the value always minus 1 and 1. So sin of how much equal to minus 1, minus pi by 2. Sin of how much equal to 1, sin pi by 2. So between the values we will be getting minus 1 comma 1. So range is minus 1 comma 1, domain is minus by 2 comma by 2. We have learnt already in trigonometry. In the similar way, for every inverse trigonometric function also like this, it should be reverse process. So this is the domain and this is range here. We should try to understand this is sine inverse x. Sin x is having sine inverse function in the case of domain definition only. I mean range. So depends upon domains and range. Every trigonometric function is having inverse function. Let us write the list of domain function. Each and every formula and each and every graph of the trigonometric inverse trigonometric function depends upon these domains only. So whenever domain changes, then graph, position, period, everything will be changes. So you can understand that each and every trigonometric function limited to the domain function, domain, range. So today whatever the formula we are going to discuss, each and every formula depends upon this domain only. Function. First, sine inverse x. Serial number also I am writing like a table for 6 inverse trigonometric functions I am writing. You should write in your notes also, even though this is in material. First one, sine inverse x. Its domain minus 1 comma 1 and its range closed interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Next, second one, cos inverse x. Its domain also minus 1 comma and this is closed interval 0 comma y. You can understand that cos 0 is equal to 1 and cos pi is equal to minus 1. Next one, third one, tan inverse x. Tan inverse x domain is R. For every real number you can get the values. That in some books it will be given like this minus infinity comma infinity, and range is open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Open interval meaning here minus pi by 2 should not substitute and pi by 2 should not substitute. Even though you are substituting the value, tan 90 becomes infinity and tan of minus 90 also becomes minus infinity. It is meaning not defined. Here next one, cot inverse x. Cot inverse x also you can substitute any number. Domain equal to minus infinity comma infinity. Range is equal to open interval 0 comma pi. Open interval 0 comma pi. Next, tan inverse x, secant inverse x. Fifth condition, secant inverse x. Secant inverse x domain minus infinity comma minus 1 closed union 1 comma infinity. This is the domain and range is equal to closed interval 0 comma pi by 2 open union pi by 2 comma pi. Union pi by 2 comma pi closed. This meaning you can understand that secant inverse there is no value between minus and 1. Just let us verify secant inverse 0. So it meaning what is the value of for which degrees, for which angle the answer of secant theta becomes 0. There is no. So that is why that is not defined. Secant example, if you are putting 0, secant 0 equal to 1 like this. If you are putting secant pi means secant 180 minus 1 is there. But if you are substituting secant pi by 2, secant 90 is 1 by cos 90 is infinity. 1 by cos 90 equal to 0. Like this. Between minus 1 and 1, there will be no values for secant inverse x. Next one, cosecant inverse x. Cosecant inverse x also you can understand the same way, minus infinity comma minus infinity. For every minus infinity or infinity, open only minus infinity comma minus 1 union closed interval 1 comma infinity. This is minus pi by 2 comma 0 union 0 comma pi. This is 0 meaning 0 is open. There is no question of 0. I mean there will be not defined for 0. Example, cosec 0 how much? 1 by sin 0 equal to 0, 1 by 0 means 0. According to this table only, each and every formula it is depending. Now, let us write some examples. Some formula, fourth one. Sine inverse of, I am writing this one, sine inverse of sin x is equal to sine of sine inverse x equal to x. Dear students, you should observe that this is also applicable for the domain only. Sine inverse of sin x. Sine inverse of sin x. Here I am writing. Sine inverse of sin x is equal to sine of sine inverse x. Sine inverse of sin x equal to sine of sine inverse x equal to x. You should not get cancelled inverse and sine. This is the inverse function of general function of inverse. You can understand f inverse whole inverse equal to f concept simply sine of sine inverse x equal to x. In the similar way, for each and every trigonometric function, you can write that too depends upon domain only. Cos of cos inverse x equal to x. Next, like this, tan inverse of tan x. Tan inverse of tan x is equal to tan of tan inverse x is equal to x. Cot inverse of cot x is equal to cot of cot inverse x is equal to x. For each and every function, this depends upon the minus. So secant inverse of secant x is equal to secant of secant inverse x is equal to x. Next one, cosecant inverse of cosecant x. Cosecant inverse of cosecant x equal to cosecant of cosecant inverse x is equal to x. Of course, this is easy. Very easily you can understand this one. Next, let us discuss about next formula. Formula 10th one, sin inverse of minus x is equal to minus sin inverse x. Sin inverse of minus x is equal to minus sin inverse x, and we can write this one as a cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. Tan inverse of minus x is equal to minus tan inverse x. Cot inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. Next, cosecant inverse of minus x is equal to minus cosecant inverse x. But secant inverse of minus x is pi minus secant inverse x. Secant inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus secant inverse x. These are also important formulae. Next one. This is also depends upon, for everything depends upon domain only. Let us discuss some formula once again. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Example, you can understand this one as sin 90 minus theta equal to cot. Let us do this one. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Let I am writing sin inverse x is equal to theta. So sin x is equal, no, x is equal to sin theta. X is equal to sin theta. So what becomes cos theta? Cos theta equal to root of 1 minus x square. So what is theta is equal to cos inverse x. So we know that, keep aside. This is another formula. You write here cos theta is equal to sin of 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin of 90 minus theta. So you can write cos theta is equal to sin of 90 minus theta. So cos theta becoming root 1 minus x square. It is another formula. Next, let us get cos instead of cos theta. Theta is equal to cos inverse x. So sin inverse x theta we thought. So x is becoming as sin theta. So cos theta is equal to, so x is equal to anything. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta, we can write. So here sin inverse x is equal to theta and cos inverse x is equal to, let cos inverse x is equal to theta. Anything we can get. Let cos inverse x is equal to theta. So x becoming cos theta. X becomes cos theta. So x we can write sin of 90 minus theta. Here you can understand now this sign taken this side, it becomes sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. So sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus theta, meaning here cos inverse. So minus taken this side, it becomes sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. In the similar way, we can do another formula also. 12th one, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Next, secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to pi by 2. These are called cofunctions. Sine, cosine, tan, cotan, sec, cosec. These are called cofunctions. Inverse sum of inverse of cofunctions is pi by 2. You can understand as formula. Next, let us see next formula. Sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse root of 1 minus x square. Like this, plenty of formulas you can write. Sin inverse, because we know that sin theta is equal to root of 1 minus cos theta and cos theta is equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta. In the similar way, cos inverse x is equal to sin inverse root of 1 minus x square. Cos inverse x is equal to sin inverse root of 1 minus x square. You can see page number 103 formulae are there. Page number 103 formulae you see. In this page number 103, in your big page number 103, first, second, third formulas are there. If like given a hint, you can understand this. So sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse root of minus x square, depends upon domain. If it is positive, 1 minus x square. If it is negative, minus cos inverse root of 1 minus x square, because sin inverse of minus x equal to minus sin inverse x. In the similar way, you can understand tan inverse also. No need that one. Tan inverse, no need this formula. Next, cos inverse is given as pi minus root of pi minus cos inverse x. If it is minus, then cos inverse x equal to sin inverse root of minus x square. And if it is plus, cos inverse x is equal to sin inverse root of 1 minus x square. I mean x greater than 0. If it is x less than 0, cos inverse x is equal to pi minus sin inverse root of 1 minus x square. You see the formula, page number 103, second one. Now, inverse trigonometry, pi by 2 formula we discussed. An important formula. Just I am making you to remember the important formula. Sin of a plus b. Simply, these two formulas I am making you to remember. Sin of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Using this one and another formula also I am making you to remember you to. Cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Depends upon these compound angles. So tan of a plus b also I am writing. Tan of a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Depends upon these compound angles. Of course, the cot of a plus b also there. Depends upon these multiple, no need to write multiple angles. Of course, we can write using multiple angles also. Now let us discuss about inverse trigonometric functions formula using compound angles. Every formula depends upon the domain of inverse trigonometric function. This is an important concept. You should not forget it. sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. General notation I am discussing with you. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. General notation is sin inverse of x root 1 minus y square plus y root 1 minus x square. This is general notation. Now what is general notation, sir? Not in general notations also they know. Now you see the page number 104. Page number 104. In page number 104, they given more than 3 formulas. Constants given separately. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to sin inverse of x root 1 minus x square plus y root 1 minus x square. When he given the condition 0 less than or equal to x and x square plus y square less than or equal to 1 and minus 1 less than or equal to x, y less than or equal to 1, x y less than 0. Everything, no need to get confused to it. General formula only will be getting in mains also. So this is general formula. If cases will change, then formula will change. What is the cases? Pi minus. If the case reverse means negative, positive, positive, negative, then formula will change. In the similar way, you can understand sin inverse x minus sin inverse y also. Just you see the formula. And general formula of cos inverse x plus cos inverse y. So what is the formula of cos A plus B concept? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. In the similar way, you can understand cos inverse xy into root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus b square. This is general formula. Depends upon domain. So what? Every time I used to say depends upon domain. So minus 1 comma 1. So x should be between minus 1 and y should be between minus 1 and 1. That is the formula given. Next, whenever change is there, I will say in the sums. Now this important formula, like this is maybe 15th formula. This is 15, this is 16, 17 formula. 3 cases arises, we should write 3 cases. This is IMP formula. Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x y. Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x y. When x greater than 0, y greater than 0, x y less than 1. Next, the cases we should write. This is pi plus tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x y. Whenever x greater than 0, y greater than 0, x y greater than 1. I will say sums also, students. Next one, minus pi plus same formula. Minus pi plus. So this is tan inverse x plus for which one? This is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y gives like this. Minus pi plus tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. When x less than 0, y less than 0 and xy greater than 1. Example, what is the example, sir? Example, this is example 2, 3, 2 greater than 0, 3 greater than 0, 2, 3 are 6 greater than 1. It's a case. And this is 1 by 2, 1 by 3. 1 by 2 greater than 0, 1 by 3 greater than 0. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 because 1 by 6 less than 1. General notation this is. This is, of course, this chance also may get x less than 0, y less than 0, and x y greater than 1. Sir, is it possible, sir? Yes, students, because x minus 1 by 2 and y minus 1 by 3. Both are less than 0, minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 3 because 1 by 6 greater. Not like this. Maybe minus 2 like this. Minus 2, minus 3 like this. Minus 2, minus 3 less than 0 and minus 6 greater than in that case. Otherwise, next, if x is equal to 1, next you write simply it is pi by 2 if x into y equal to 1. You can understand tan inverse x is equal to cot inverse 1 by x. According to this one. Now let us write 18th formula. This is also important. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to, for this one also general notation I am writing, tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. When xy greater than simply minus 1. Next, the same formula becomes pi plus tan inverse. The same formula becomes pi plus tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. x minus y by 1 plus xy. When x greater than 0, y less than 0, xy less than minus 1. And the same formula becomes minus pi plus tan inverse of x plus y, x minus y by 1 plus xy. When x less than 0, y greater than 0 and xy less than minus 1. This is general formula here. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B concept. This is the general formula. Next, 19th formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is equal to general notation I am discussing with you. Tan inverse of x plus y plus z minus xy z whole by 1 minus xy minus yz minus zx. When the condition is that xyz have same sign, x comma y comma z have same sign, x comma y comma z have same sign, and xy plus yz plus zx less than 1. Less than 1. Its meaning generally 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5 like this. Same sign. Whether it is minus also no problem. Minus into minus plus like it should be in the form of less than 1. This you can understand that tan of a plus b plus c formula in trigonometry. Tan of a plus b plus c formula, tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus tan a into tan b into tan c whole by 1 minus tan a tan b minus tan b tan c minus tan c tan a. Next, 20th formula. Two tan inverse x, general notation. 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x. It is general notation. Or what is general notation? Minus 1 less than x less than 1. How you can understand this formula? Tan 2 theta formula, 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. In the similar way, you can understand 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Next, the same concept. This is not a general formula. Pi plus 2 tan inverse x, then x less than 1 minus 1, and minus pi plus 2 tan inverse x. Minus pi plus 2 tan inverse x, x less than 1. Same formula. 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x. In the similar way, 21 I am writing 3 tan inverse x. 3 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse of, okay, tan inverse of 3x minus x cubed by 1 minus 3x square. According to formula, this is 1 by root 3 less than x less than equal to, not here. Minus 1 by root 3 less than x less than 1 by root 3. Next, the same formula becoming here pi plus 3 tan pi plus 3 tan inverse x equal to this one. When x greater than 1 by root 3. Next formula minus pi plus 3 tan inverse x. Same formula becoming when x less than minus 1 by root 3. X less than minus 1 by root 3. This is general formula. 1 by root 3 less than x less than 1 by root 3. So why you are asking, sir? Whenever it is x becomes 1 by root 3, it becomes 3 into 1 by 3 1 minus 1 0. So the value should be y between like this. 3 tan inverse x is equal to this. You can understand as tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Now do sin inverse x. 22nd. 2 cos inverse x. This is important. 2 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse 2x square minus 1. And another also is there, cos inverse of 1 minus 2x square. You can understand cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square theta concept. When this is concept of 0 less than x less than or equal to 1. And 2 pi minus cos inverse of 2x square minus 1 when minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 0. This is general formula. In the similar way, you see the formula, page number next 23rd also there. This is also a useful formula. 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. You can understand this one as 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. So cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square is equal to 2 tan inverse x according to tan concept. When this is general notation 0 less than x less than infinity. Next, because the relation between cos and tan minus cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. This is for minus infinity, not minus infinity less than x less than 0. Minus infinity less than x less than 0. Next, you see the formula. Some synopses are there. According to that synopsis, you can understand. IP sums are also there. Next, 24. I'll say next formula also. General notation 24th formula, sin inverse of x is equal to cosecant inverse of 1 by x, or cosecant inverse of x is equal to sin inverse of 1 by x. You can remember this one as sin theta equal to cosec 1 by cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta concept. Next, cos inverse of x is equal to secant inverse of 1 by x, or secant inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of 1 by x. Next, tan inverse x is equal to cot inverse of 1 by x, or cot inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 1 by x. These are general formulae, depends upon their general domains. Now you see the page number 106. Page 106. Important facts given. See the facts and write in your notes 1 to 17. Like formula you write in your notebook. If you are having any doubt, you can call me. Otherwise, you ask me through SMS, no problem. Each and every sum is an IPE. Using shortcut also you can do, put x is equal to 1 like that also you can write. Next, cot inverse x, tan inverse x concept is where I am searching for tan inverse x and cot inverse x concept. Okay, see page number 103. Yes, given general formula cot inverse x and everything. Okay, students, now let us discuss some examples. Worked examples are there. We can discuss some worked examples. Okay. Theory bits, fourth question is there. I want to discuss this one. This is an IMP sum. Theory bits, fourth one. Like formula I am writing this one. If a greater than 0, if a greater than 0, comma, b greater than 0, comma, c greater than 0, then a greater than 0, comma, b greater than 0, comma, c greater than 0, then cot inverse ab plus 1 by a minus b plus cot inverse bc plus 1 by b minus c plus cot inverse ca plus 1 by c minus a. Cot inverse ca plus 1 by c minus a. Now, this one you can understand, given a greater than 0, b greater than 0 and c also greater than 0. A greater than 0, b greater than 0 and c also greater than 0. Let us write ab greater than 1. We can use the formula ab greater than 1. A greater than 0. Okay. Case 1 I am writing, students. Case 1. A greater than 0, b greater than 0, a greater than and ab greater than 1. Like this we can write. So it becomes, of course, this fully you can write cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x. You can understand tan inverse a minus b by 1 plus b. Plus this one tan inverse b minus c by 1 plus bc. Plus this one tan inverse c minus a by 1 plus ca. Using the cases, we can understand a greater than 0, b greater than 0, ab greater than 1. Then it becomes tan inverse a minus general formula. Tan inverse of x minus a by 1 plus x by concept. Tan inverse a minus tan inverse b. Plus this one also I am writing tan inverse b minus tan inverse c. But case 1 I am taking a greater than 0, b greater than 0 and ab greater than 1. Also here I am writing b greater than 0, b greater than 0, is given c greater than 0, then and bc, here a greater than 0, okay, ab less than 1. Okay, let us write ab less than, b greater than 0, c greater than 0, bc greater than 1. Two cases we do. Then it becomes pi plus tan inverse of x minus y concept. Pi plus tan inverse c minus tan inverse a. If next case, if we change, if it becomes ab greater than 1, it becomes here pi plus concept. Now tan inverse a minus tan inverse a get cancelled. Tan inverse b minus tan inverse get cancelled. Tan inverse get cancelled. Answer pi. Keep a sign. Next case 2. Case 2. If a less than 0, like this way. A greater than 0, b greater than 0, ab greater than 1. AB greater than 1 and B greater than 0, C greater than 0, BC less than 1. Then this one directly you can write whenever greater than 0 and AB greater than 1 is there, then you can say this one as a pi plus tan inverse A minus tan inverse B. Plus this is pi plus tan inverse B minus tan inverse C. This is general notation tan inverse C minus tan inverse A. Whenever greater than one concept is there, then you can write pi plus. So here tan inverse A minus tan inverse A get cancelled, minus tan inverse B plus tan inverse B get cancelled, this is get cancelled, so answer 2 pi. So CUQ means theory bits. Theory bits. Fourth question, answer pi or 2 pi. Once upon a time, this was an important IPU question. Now he given a simply objective question. In the question, fourth question, he given only third option pi. 2 pi is also there. Whether he given the in advanced question, you can understand pi or 2 pi. Now let us see some worked examples which are important. Each and every worked example given in previous MCET or previous mains. Let us see from example 1 onwards, page number 103. Page number 103. Example 1, page 103. Find the value of cos inverse minus 1 by 2 minus 2 sin inverse 1 by 2 plus 3 cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2 minus 4 tan inverse of minus 1. According to formula of inverse trigonometric functions and according to domains, you should write the values. Cos inverse of minus x, I said that the formula pi minus cos inverse x. Students, cos and secant inverse minus x becomes pi minus. Other values becomes directly minus. Next, tan inverse of minus x, you can write pi minus, no, direct minus tan. Direct minus tan. Now you write this one, pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 2. Pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 2. Minus 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Plus, not plus here, 3 into cos inverse 1 by root 2, we can understand pi minus 3 into pi minus cos inverse 1 by root 2 plus it becomes minus of minus plus 4 tan inverse 1. Now you can understand the values where the value cos, where the 1 by 2 becomes, for which degrees cos inverse value is 1 by 2. So in cos inverse 1 by 2 meaning for how many degrees cos value becomes 1 by 2 meaning 60. So pi by 3 you write here. That is equal to pi minus pi by 3 minus 2 into this is pi by 6 sin 30 value plus 3 into pi minus this is pi by 4 plus 4 into this is pi by 4 according to radians I am ready. Now it becomes pi minus pi by 3. This is 3 pi minus pi by 3 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 3. This is pi by 3 plus 3 pi minus this is 3 pi by 4 plus this is pi. So pi 3 pi plus pi becomes 4 pi. 4 pi plus pi by 3 minus 3 pi by 4. Take LCM here. This is 12. 12 4s are 48 pi. This is 3 4 times 4 pi minus 4 3 times 2. This is 9 pi. 48 4 52 52 minus 9 becomes 43. So the answer is 43 pi by 12. Like this, first you should learn simple models. Next you can do level 1, level 2 also. Let us see next worked example. 2 page number 104 MCET 2007 question. Worked example 2 page 107. Worked example 2 page number 107, not 207. Page number 107. See the question. Tan of secant inverse 1 by x. Tan of secant inverse 1 by x is equal to tan of secant inverse 1 by x is equal to sin of tan inverse 2. Tan of secant inverse 1 by 1 by x not 2. Tan of secant inverse 1 by x is equal to sin of tan inverse 2. Sin of tan inverse 2. So what is the value of x? Here, what the value, which function he given, which you should calculate, you should know. Secant inverse given, but tan, secant inverse function, tan general function. Every trigonometric function should be converted into their inverse function because they should be get cancelled. Already have learnt in derivatives. Tan of secant inverse 1 by x, select secant inverse 1 by x is equal to a, right? So secant a is equal to 1 by x. Like this you can understand. Secant a, meaning here which side we say this is 1, this is x. It becomes root 1 minus x square. So tan a, you write, students, what is a secant from x? Of course, this is full a. Simply you can calculate tan a. Tan a is equal to root of 1 minus x square by x. Keep aside. Now here let tan inverse 2 is equal to b. Then tan b is equal to 2. Draw like this. This is 2, this is 1, this is root 5. So now you should calculate sin b. Sin b is equal to 2 by root 5. Now you can get equally, you should write these are equal values. 1 minus x square by x is equal to 2 by root 5. Taking cross multiplication, this is 5. Taking cross multiplication and squaring both sides, you will get 5 minus 5x square equal to 4x square. Minus 5 square taken that side, it becomes 5 is equal to 9x square and x square is equal to 9 by 5. X is equal to 3 by root 5 is the right answer. X is equal to 3 by root 5. Now, example 3. For example 3, he given 1 by 2 less than x less than 1. Of course, less than or equal to also given. So, we are having shortcut cos inverse x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 minus 3x square. Cos inverse x by 2 1 by 2 into root of 3 minus 3x square plus cos inverse. Shortcut is there, you can put whenever it is x is equal to 1 and 1 by 2, simply I am putting x equal to 1. So it is becoming cos inverse 1 by 2, cos inverse 1 by 2 plus it becomes 0 plus this is cos inverse 1 by 2. Cos inverse 1 by 2 meaning instead of x we put cos inverse of x by 2 plus 1 by 2 3 minus 3x square. So what is the value? 1 only, not 1 by 2. Cos inverse 1 by 2 meaning pi by 3, cos inverse 1 meaning 0. So answer is pi by 3. Yes, now for example 4th one. Later directly we can go for level 1. Let us see what example 4, page 105. Page 105. Cot of cosec inverse of 5 by 3 plus tan inverse of 2 by 3. Cot of cosec inverse of 5 by 3. Now let us try to understand cosec inverse of 5 by 3 equal to A. Now it becomes cosec A is equal to 5 by 3. Draw like this. Cosec this is 5, this is 3, this is 4. So now I am writing tan A because I say that tan A is equal to here 4 by 3. Here you can write, no need to write, tan was 2 by 3 here. So now that implies I am writing cot of A is equal to 4 by 3. So it becomes A means here cosec inverse 5 by 3 becoming as a tan inverse 4 by 3. Tan inverse 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. Cot of tan inverse 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. Five cosec means hypotenuse here. Opposite. This is 4. Just a little change. This is 3 by 4. That is what I am thinking. But it is 3 by 4 or 4 by 3. X less than x less than 1, y less than xy less than 1, x greater than 0, y greater than 0, cot inverse, cot of tan inverse. Apply the formula here 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 whole by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. Take an LCM, that is equal to cot of tan inverse of this is a 4 plus this is 9 plus 8, 17 by 12 minus 6 tan inverse 17 by 6. So you can understand tan inverse x is equal to cot inverse 1 by x. So cot of cot inverse 6 by 17, it becomes 6 by 17. Okay students, we have completed worked examples, some theory and synopsis in inverse trigonometric functions. Let us see some examples. No need to say examples. Let us discuss tomorrow theory bits level 1, level 2 also. Okay, let us finish in tomorrow class level 1 class work.